Replacing Hotend Tina2 Plus. Step 1. Unload the filament. Wait for the temperature to cool down. Step 2. Hold the tube fitting. Note that it is blue. Press both ends of the tube fitting. To remove the filament tube. Step 3. Hold down the switch. And remove the hot end. You can also use a tool. Step 4. Install a new hot end, ensuring you hear a click when it's properly installed. Step 5. Insert the filament tube, ensuring it is inserted fully to a depth of approximately 2 centimeters. Step 6. Readjust the Z offset. Please check the video for adjusting the Z offset. After replacing the hot end, click on the Load filament to test if the replacement was successful.